Hello everyone, dear friends. I am very happy to share with you my favorite travel itinerary. This travel discovery of mine is Bodrum, a district of Mugla, which is one of Turkey's most popular holiday paradises. With its white painted houses, turquoise blue bays, dynamic, fun streets, and unforgettable sunsets, Bodrum was a place I had wanted to visit for a long time. During my time here, I had the chance to visit both Bodrum's most popular spots and discover its calmer, more local corners. Now, let's live through this unforgettable Bodrum. Itinerary step by step together. Transportation to Bodrum for our holiday to be enjoyable. The first important point is that transportation is comfortable and trouble-free. Getting to Bodrum is actually quite simple and easy. On this trip, I preferred airway and used Milas-Bodrum Airport. The airport is located approximately 35 to 40 kilometers from the center of Bodrum. There are different options to reach the city center or the hotel where you will stay from the airport. You can use airport shuttles or public transportation services linked to local municipalities. If you want to reach hidden bays and natural wonders far from the center, whenever you wish, then you might consider the car rental option. In fact, for free-spirited travelers, renting a motorcycle can also be a fun choice. You can reach the center of Bodrum from the airport in about 40 minutes. Accommodation and Bodrum accommodation options in Bodrum are quite extensive. It is possible to find options suitable for every budget, from the most luxurious hotels to charming boutique hotels, small apartments to wooden bungalows. My choice was to stay in the center of Bodrum. I realized more and more each day what a right decision I had made, because being within walking distance of the Marina, restaurants, and many wonderful beaches provided a great advantage. In fact, I didn't neglect to take a walk along that magnificent coastline every evening. If you are a young and dynamic couple or a group of friends, I can recommend the more fun and lively Gümbet area. Both very popular nightlife venues and great beaches will be waiting for you. If you love silence, the Bitez and Ortaken areas can be a wonderful choice for a peaceful rest. In Bitez, waking up to the sound of the sea every morning will be a great feeling. If you want to experience a high-level experience with super luxury, the Yalıkavak area would be the perfect option for you. Here, extremely luxurious hotels or villas with wonderful sea views await you. The Marina and its surroundings at this point are full of venues where you will spend very beautiful and enjoyable time. In conclusion, whichever accommodation area you prefer in Bodrum, you are always close to the sea and the insatiable view. This might be one of the reasons why Bodrum is so popular, if you're ready. Let's move on to the pleasant moments I spent in Bodrum Center. Marina and historical discovery, even though I don't like waking up early, you get your sleep very well here no matter what time you go to bed. I wanted to start my first day early with a deep blue sea view. If you want your day to be energetic and don't want to get hungry quickly, say don't miss the breakfast hour. You will adore the very famous Turkish breakfast. There were so many options that you have difficulty choosing. You will love the taste of the olives and olive oil unique to the Aegean region. After breakfast, my first stop was Bodrum Castle, which has become the symbol of Bodrum. This historical and magnificent castle, rising right on the edge of the sea, maintains its feature of being one of Bodrum's most important symbols. In the morning, during the walk to the castle, the white houses with blue doors inside, narrow stone streets, and walls decorated with bougainvillea allow you to experience that famous atmosphere of Bodrum. When I climbed up to the castle, I encountered a wonderful view, Bodrum Marina, the deep blue sea. And the white houses stretching along the coast contain wonderful frames, just right for taking photos. After taking plenty of photos at the castle and fully enjoying the view, I took a pleasant walk towards Bodrum Marina. The marina and its surroundings offer a wonderful atmosphere. You can walk with pleasure. I noticed during the walk that time flows slower here than usual, but it passes just as enjoyably. During the lunch hours, preferred to discover local flavors near the marina. If you had a good breakfast, a Guslim and Aran can be a great choice like mine. Afterwards, spending time in the bazaar full of souvenir shops and stalls, selling local products was wonderful. In the evening hours, Watching the sky turn into orange and pink tones as the sun slowly disappears behind the sea provides a very wonderful experience. I preferred to reward myself with a nice grilled fish at one of the restaurants on the shore. I completed the end of the day by walking on the beach and watching this unique view. It was very pleasant. Beaches and Bodrum's most beautiful bays as a sea lover. I wanted to dedicate this day in Bodrum solely to the sea and beaches. My first choice was Bitez, which is very close to Bodrum Center. Despite being so close to the center, it was a great choice for a quiet and peaceful sea pleasure. You can spend hours here with its glass-like water and wonderful beach. One of the reasons Bitez is loved so much is that it offers a calm and peaceful environment. For lunch, I wanted to taste practical local flavors. You can reach Turkish doner, one of my favorite tastes, from almost everywhere. It was a very delicious filling and very practical choice. Then, I turned my route towards Gümbet this time. Gümbet offers a much more active and dynamic atmosphere compared to Bitez. The people having fun along the Gümbet coastline and the lively atmosphere were wonderful. When it gets dark, Bodrum takes on a completely different identity. The lights, music, and the crowd stretching along the coast show what a vibrant holiday region Bodrum is. I completed the day by walking on the beach and visiting a few venues, Yalıkavak and Yamelke on the last day of this short but wonderful itinerary. I preferred to go a bit outside of Bodrum Center and experience calmer areas. My first stop was the Yalıkavak area. When Yalıkavak is mentioned, luxury hotels and a prestigious lifestyle come to mind first. Especially Yalıkavak Marina is an eye-catching area with its luxury and magnificence. It is an impressive place with its luxury yachts and modern architecture. I took a short walk in the marina and took a famous Turkish coffee break against the sea view. Even just watching the view was quite enjoyable and unforgettable. Even though it was hard to take a break from these pleasant moments, this time I turned my direction to GMLK. GMLK is known as one of Bodrum's most peaceful and authentic areas. With the atmosphere here, time flows slower, and it offers a very peaceful environment. The fishing boats lined up along the GMLK shore. The fish restaurants with their colorful architecture across from them, and the peace and calmness together, offer an unforgettable environment. The most unforgettable moment of the day was watching the wonderful sunset here. The sun merges with the sea, and as it slowly sets over the water, the beauty of the scenery and colors that emerge is enough to blow your mind. When a hot Turkish tea accompanies this view, you capture an atmosphere where you can collect insatiable pleasure and unforgettable memories. Every moment of Bodrum is beautiful in its own way. Time to say goodbye to Bodrum in this short but unforgettable route I spent in Bodrum. I can say very clearly that Bodrum is not just a holiday center, but also an unforgettable experience. In Bodrum, there is a sea of unforgettable blueness. There are historical places. There is lush green nature. There is peace, and there is entertainment. In short, it is a holiday resort with options suitable for every taste. If you want to rest in a peaceful, calm environment to explore and to collect unforgettable memories, Bodrum should definitely be one of the holiday destinations that should be in the top 3 of your travel plans. My Bodrum trip ends with unforgettable memories. Thank you very much for accompanying me throughout my Bodrum travel itinerary. If you have questions about this holiday center, you can ask in the comments. I would be happy to share my experiences if you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you on the next travel route. Stay with love